Hello, Gordon. What are you doing here? I've been made to pull trucks again. The shame of it, I tell you. Oh, poor Gordon. Woe is you. We can't handle some silly trucks. You're one to talk. Didn't you become a runaway while pulling some once? I remember because I was there when you were rescued. It could happen to any engine, even you. Nonsense. If trucks were to try and push me, I'd simply use my brakes.
Doug, where's Lady?
How should I know?
Well, I assume you would, considering she's supposed to be here.
Don't talk to me about what I'm supposed to be doing when you're going behind poor Mavis's back!
You know?
Yes, I do.
When did you find out?
I knew all along, so don't lecture me, Percy!
Listen, it's not what you think.
Your reaction says different.
Okay, yes, we were going to start something, but Mavis fell off the turntable and I just couldn't.
Well, that's not what she seems to think. So I suggest you find her and tell her to stop acting like a complete imbecile, or there'll be big consequences.
Are you threatening me?
Consider it more of a warning than a threat. I'm sorry to have to do this to you, Percy. I truly am.
Listen here, you jumped up piece of scrap. I'm not taking this, and especially from a dirty old truck like you. What are you gonna do?
I'll tell Donald.
You do that, and you're dead. Do you hear me?
Ooh, taking trucks are you now, Gordon?
So what if I am? Everyone, make way for the Coal Truck Express!
Ha ha ha! Good one, Thomas.
Cheeky little sod.
Well, have a good run. Those trucks can be tricky.
Well, one thing's for certain, I won't take mine on a sailing expedition like you did with yours.
Oi, that's not fair.
Now you know how it feels.
Hello, Doug.
Hey, Donald.
You alright, mate?
Yes, but I'm afraid you won't be.
Why?
I've got something to tell you.
Lady!
Percy! Oh my god! You scared me half to death!
Why didn't you tell me Doug knows?
I didn't think I needed to. Why?
Because he's going to tell Donald! Tell Donald what, Percy? That you've been a selfish prat as per? Oh, now you've crossed the line.
Donald?
How could you do it? Act like everything's fine, then pull the rails out from under me.
I never meant to hurt you.
Hurt me? Hurt me? You've not hurt me, lady. You've ruined everything.
I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't change anything. You're still the horrible monster you always were. And if this was planned, Donald, we would never set out to hurt you. And would you just shut up for once? Don't act like your son like here. You should go. Leave your trucks there. I need to spend some time with her. Alone. Thomas, can you take the next few loads of stone for me, please? I'm just not feeling too good.
Sure. Are you alright?
I just feel a bit rough, that's all.
Okay. Yeah, I can do.
Thanks.
Well, that was weird. I'll show them. Silly engines!
Come on, Gordon. Let's get moving.
What in blazes? Why aren't I stopping, driver?
It's your brakes. They must have been leaking.
Oh no, then that means I can't stop.
Did it ever occur to you for just a second how much damage you've been doing?
Of course, but
Then why do it?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know? You're so pathetic, aren't you? Acting so sad because you got caught. Never mind what this does to me.
Of course I care about what this has done to you.
No, you clearly don't. You've never cared about me. You just wanted the first sad sap that'd come along and make you feel less lonely.
If this is true, then what about James? I could have chosen him, but no. I chose you because I love you.
Love? You call this love? You must be pretty sick in the smoke box to think that this is love. I'll tell you why you didn't pick James. Because nobody likes a desperate engine. And that's what you are right now. Desperate.
I wonder where Gordon's got to. He should have passed through by now.
Help me!
Whoa! I'm coming, Gordon.
Where are you going?
To tell Sir Topham that I want to leave as soon as possible.
What? Oh, please don't go!
How can I stay knowing what you've done? That kind of betrayal. I can't just forgive and forget.
No, I forgave you when you said all those nasty things about me. You owe me.
I only said that because you lied. And you don't seem to have learned your lesson. I hope you're happy.
Please, Donald, don't leave me.
Shut up. You disgust me.
Please, Donald. Donald. Donald!
Thomas, you'll need to stop here, I'm afraid. The track up ahead is a bit damaged and we're doing our best to fix it.
Again? That part of the line's getting more and more unsafe.
Yeah, we're looking to see if we can build a bigger section of beach beside the track so the tide doesn't damage it again.
Build a beach. Hey, maybe you could put some tracks there. I could finally have a day off at the seaside. Thomas! Gordon? He's heading towards the damaged track.
Bye, Thomas. Bye, Thomas.
Henry? Bust my boiler! Oh, God. Oh, botheration.
Are you okay, Gordon?
No, I'm not.
Well, it seems you did go sailing after all.
Oh, the indignity. You know something, Gordon. What, Thomas? You must be the first runaway engine to not have rolling stock behind him. Now that's embarrassing. Could happen to any engine.
Only the really stupid ones.
I heard that.
You were meant to.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Donald. Are you okay?
I have some news.
What is it?
I've decided to leave Sodor and join Dougie on his new line.
Really? What's Lady said about this?
And Doug?
Me and Lady? We've decided to end things. It's for the best.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Donald.
Like it was the best thing to do.
Well, what about Doug?
He's coming with me.
That's nice. I'm glad he is. He's really fond of you, you know?
Oh, I know. Hello, trucks.
Hello, Toby.
Listen, I don't want any tricks now. Do you hear me?
As if we do something like that.
Although, we do need to stretch our wheels.
Oh, no, no!